thinking you'll always be making the worst of it all? Did you think by now I'd be crashing and burning straight through the wall? Same Messiah,